Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to convert HEIC to JPG format any operating system. You can use by default software available on each operating system and some online portals also. So in this video, I provide you detailed demonstration how to use default software and convert HEIC to JPG or PNG or any other format your images. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, I will show you those image format. In this particular, look at this is HEIC and I am sent this image on particular WhatsApp or any social networking. So this image is not compatible for sometimes in Android application or Android mobile. So that point of view, how to convert those images and access anywhere wherever you want easily. So just simply open this image file, and so I just simply export this image. And look at this, I convert as a best, and here several formats also available: JPG, PNG, TIFF or PDF format. So mostly people are using JPG and PNG, so I just simply convert as a JPG file, and the image I'm saving this image in desktop. Save, it's simple, and then access this image is automatically converted as a PNG format. So I will show you exactly on JPG format. This image are converted in JPG format. So here is an extension of this format is convertible JPG format. It's normally convert on this default software. This is a Mac operating system and I am using the preview default software. Using the software and then convert this image as very easily HEIC to JPG format or PNG format. It's quite simple to convert and access anywhere wherever you want easily. Look at this image is PNG and this image is a JPG. I convert those images using preview default software. This software available on Windows operating system also. Online portals also available. I am putting this link in video description. You use this link, otherwise you can use these tips and tricks and convert any HEIC format to JPG or PNG image format. It's quite simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.